Immigration enforcement actions have been getting a lot of attention lately, and in a lot of cases, people have been wondering what's legal and what's not. On today's Let's Talk Legal, we're talking about the case of a Hillsboro man named Victor Cruz. He says he was arrested by ICE in spite of having a pending U visa. One of his attorneys says he also has a work permit while that U visa process is underway. Cruz also says that ICE did not show him a warrant of any kind when they arrested him. So that leaves us asking, can ICE arrest someone with a pending U visa status and a work permit? And does ICE need a warrant or even probable cause to arrest someone? In response to us, ICE referred us to their frequently asked questions page on their website. It reads, ICE does not need judicial warrants to make arrests like all other law enforcement officers. And ICE officers and agents can initiate consensual encounters and speak with people and briefly detain aliens when they have reasonable suspicion that the aliens are illegally present in the United States and arrest people they believe are illegal aliens. So we brought that claim to Cruz's attorney, Hillary Smith. Here's what she had to say.
They only need reasonable suspicion under the regulations to make a warrantless arrest that somebody is in the United States without status. They do need a judicial warrant if they go to someone's house and wish to enter and make an arrest at someone's house. That certainly is required.
Reasonable suspicion is a lower standard than probable cause. Probable cause means it's more likely than not that someone has committed a crime. But reasonable suspicion just means there's at least some reason to suggest that someone's committed a crime. Here's what Smith has to say that can look like in the context of immigration.
If ICE stops a non-citizen and asks where they were born, and they don't answer that they were born in the United States, that is enough to then detain them for further questioning and then arrest them.
Now let's talk about Cruz's legal status. He has a pending U visa. That's for people who are victims of crime and who help police with the investigation. We asked ICE about why they arrested Cruz even though he has a work permit. A spokesperson said work authorization does not confer any type of legal status to be in the United States. Cruz's attorney agrees, but also makes a larger argument. She says he has what's known as deferred action, which she says is when the government looked at his U visa application favorably and allowed him to work while it's being processed.
Even though deferred action and a work permit doesn't confer legal status, deferred action stays removal from the United States. So then if you are unable to be removed from the United States, any sort of detention is unlawful.
Thanks for watching Let's Talk Legal. Email us if you have any questions you want us to break down. I went to law school so that you don't have to.